Most people think emotional intelligence simply means staying calm. It doesn't. Real emotional intelligence is the ability to understand yourself, understand others, and make wiser decisions because of that understanding. It determines how well you lead, communicate, negotiate, build relationships, and handle pressure. In many ways, your emotional intelligence influences your success just as much as your IQ. Fortunately, it can be developed. These 6 remarkable books build emotional intelligence step by step, with each one adding another layer to your understanding of human emotion. Let's begin with the first book. Book 1. Primal Leadership by Daniel Goleman, Richard Boyatzis, and Annie McKee. Most leaders believe people follow ideas. This book argues they first follow emotions. Every leader creates an emotional atmosphere. A calm leader spreads confidence. An anxious leader spreads uncertainty. Emotions are surprisingly contagious, and people constantly absorb the moods of those around them without realizing it. The authors explain that leadership is not only about making good decisions, but also about managing the emotional climate of a team. Before people trust your strategy, they experience your emotional state. This book teaches that emotional intelligence begins with recognizing the emotional influence you have on everyone around you. But this raises another question. If emotions spread so easily, why do different people react so differently to the same situation? That leads to our second book. Book 2. The Righteous Mind by Jonathan Haidt. One of the biggest mistakes we make is assuming people disagree because they lack information. Jonathan Haidt argues something different. People usually feel first and reason later. Our moral intuitions shape the way we see the world long before logic enters the conversation. That's why 2 intelligent people can look at the same event and reach completely different conclusions, rather than asking, who's right? This book encourages us to ask, what values and emotions are guiding their thinking? That simple shift creates empathy, patience, and better communication. Understanding other people begins with understanding how differently they experience the world. But even deeper emotional forces influence us every day. That brings us to the third book. Book 3. The Silent Pulls of Human Nature by PISETH. Most behavior is driven by emotions we never consciously recognize. People often explain their decisions logically, but beneath those explanations lie invisible forces such as the need for belonging, status, certainty, recognition, security, and meaning. This book explores those hidden emotional currents. It teaches readers to look beyond visible behavior and ask what deeper emotional force is creating it. Anger may hide fear. Confidence may hide insecurity. Silence may hide disappointment. Once you recognize these invisible patterns, people become easier to understand, and so do you. The first 3 books help you recognize emotions. The next 3 teach you how to use that awareness wisely. Book 4, Nonviolent Communication by Marshall B. Rosenberg. Most conflicts are not caused by bad people. They're caused by misunderstood emotions. Rosenberg shows how to replace blame with curiosity, criticism with understanding, and arguments with meaningful conversations. Instead of reacting to people's words, you begin listening for the emotional needs underneath them. This approach transforms relationships, negotiations, parenting, leadership, and everyday communication. Understanding emotion is valuable. Communicating with it is even more powerful. Book 5. The Chimp Paradox by Professor Steve Peters. Have you ever said something you immediately regretted? This book explains why. Steve Peters describes the emotional part of the brain as the chimp, the impulsive system that reacts before logic catches up. Emotion itself isn't the enemy. The problem is allowing temporary emotions to make permanent decisions. Highly emotionally intelligent people don't eliminate emotion. They recognize it early, pause, and choose their response instead of reacting automatically. That pause often determines the quality of every important decision. Finally, one question remains. Why do emotions exist at all? Book 6, The Language of Emotions by Carla McLaren. Most people spend their lives trying to suppress uncomfortable emotions. This book suggests doing the opposite. Every emotion carries useful information. Fear encourages preparation. Anger protects boundaries. Sadness helps us let go. Joy reinforces meaningful experiences. Instead of fighting emotions, we can learn from them. The more fluently you understand their language, the more clearly you understand yourself and everyone around you. Together, these 6 books create a complete journey through emotional intelligence. Primal Leadership teaches how emotions spread. The Righteous Mind explains why people think differently. The Silent Pulls of Human Nature reveals the hidden emotional forces beneath behavior. Nonviolent communication transforms emotional awareness into better conversations. The Chimp Paradox teaches emotional self-control. The language of emotions reveals the purpose behind every feeling. Emotional intelligence isn't about becoming emotionless. It's about becoming more aware, more thoughtful, and more intentional. And that may be one of the greatest competitive advantages anyone can develop. If you enjoyed this list, subscribe to Sethtra Books for more timeless books on psychology, leadership, philosophy, and human nature. Which of these 6 books would you read first? Let us know in the comments.